Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We got another video here. Get you a snack. Make sure you protect yourself if you're clumsy like me. I'm having some farina because I like it. And I'm just going to fix my bonnet real quick. But let's just talk about this. Like, I hate bonnets. But look at me, y'all. I got a bonnet. It's the bow for me. I think it's a bow. I love it. It's cute, right? I got it from my beauty supply store, by the way. Okay, let's get into this. First things first, I'm jumping in with my E.L.F. Putty primer. I'm just gonna kind of rub it in first and then start pressing it all over my face. I already did my eyebrows off camera because, you know, they're eyebrows, and I already have a video on eyebrows and I'll have a new one coming up soon, so keep your eye out for that. Foundation, here we go. We're going in with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. When I first got this foundation, the color was a little bit off for me. But, you know, with the Q word going on and me not getting a lot of sunlight, it's the perfect match for my skin right now. But before I put it on, I'm going to spray some Fix Plus on. I think that's the coconut or cucumber flavor. One of the two. Can't remember. All the products that I use will be listed down below. If I don't mention it in the actual video, everything will be down there. Just check it out. As you guys can see, I dot the foundation on my skin first, but I like to let it sit there for a bit before I actually blend things out. So while that's sitting on my skin, I'm going to go ahead in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I think this is the color Cool Tan. I wasn't exactly sure what kind of eye look I was gonna go for this day, but I knew I wanted to keep it simple, so I just put the concealer on and then we'll come back to the eyes a little bit later. And I just want to say I'm really sorry about the lighting in this video. I was recording this video all day long on a Saturday. I had nothing but time, so yeah, the lighting is gonna change a lot. Sorry about that. So yeah, here we are. I grabbed my Morphe setting spray. I sprayed my brush really quickly, and I'm just going to blend this out now. Now I'm going back in with that same concealer I put on my lids, and I'm going to put that under my eye. Like I said, this was a Saturday and I had tons and tons of time. So I had time to like sit down, relax, take my time and put things the way I want them to be. And I feel like there's a lot of layering going on here. So you're going to see that. I know it's a lot, but it's just what I like, okay? So I'm gonna let that concealer sit for a little bit, grab a snack. I got a cracker right here, and then I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm using this sponge from Raine. I love their sponges. Seriously love them. Very good. It is sped up, this clip, but I took a really long time blending this out. So yeah, just take your time and blend. Now I'm going in with this NYX Born to Glow concealer, and I am going to put that under my eye, but just in these specific points. Now I'm going in with my Nars concealer, which is a little bit lighter than the NYX, and I'm gonna put that right in the center under my eye and then on my forehead. Now usually I mean, you can use a sponge or a brush. I use both, but like I said, I had time today, and when I have time and I use these smaller brushes, I can get the product blended out, but I have more control when I use a smaller brush. So that is what I'm doing here. When I have less time, I just use a sponge because it just, you know, it gets the job done way faster. I'm just going in with that foundation brush that I used. I didn't apply any more product to the brush. I'm just using what's left and blending out the edges of where I put the concealer. Here I'm adding a little bit more foundation, but like I said, I like to dot it on and let it sit, so I'm gonna let that sit. Here's my Huda Beauty Powder in Kunafa and RCMA powder in translucent. I like to mix the two. But before I put that on, I'm going to add a little bit more of that Nars concealer because it just wasn't bright enough under my eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that powder mixture under my eye directly and on the sides of my nose. I'm just going to put the powder there. I used to put it all over under my eye, but I don't really like that look. It looks a little too drying under my eye. So I just keep it right under my eye where I have, of course, creasing and down the sides of my nose. And now I'm just blending out that foundation. Here I'm going in with my Colourpop concealer and I'm just gonna blend that out. And I actually added the concealer to my jawline as well, but I didn't blend it out that good. I messed up, y'all. Make sure y'all blend y'all stuff out. Alright, so I used my sponge to press in that powder that I put under my eye, by the way. And the same powder mixture, I'm just gonna put that on my eyelid because like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. Here I'm going into my Juicy Boost palette and taking that brown color. Love to use this shade for bronzing up my nose. It's the perfect color. And then I also use this same exact shade for my crease. It's just, I'm obviously bronzing up my nose, but I like to use the same or similar colors. It just makes everything look monochrome and put together. I'm gonna take that red color from the Juicy Boost palette and add that to my crease because I like the way the two colors look together, and I also want to add a little bit of depth. And I'm just adding a little bit more of that powder mixture to my lid again and just blending things. Here I'm going in with my JLaRue pigment, and white gold is so pretty, y'all. I just used what was in the lid and a dry brush and literally just placed it on my eyelid. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, it's real pretty, y'all. I love it. I love it. Okay, if I would have wet the brush, it would have been way more intense. Very beautiful. I wasn't going for more of a pow look. I wanted it to be like fairy tale, dreamy. You see the glitter when I move my eye around? That's what I was going for. So I didn't wet the brush, but I did pack it on. Here I am using that same brown color I used for my crease under my eye, and then I'm going to follow up and use that red color and add that as well under my eye. This is what we got. It's looking good so far. We almost done with the eye. Real simple, real cute. Look at that, right? You see the glitter? I love it. Oh, look at the skin. All right, we're not even done yet. Get into it. Okay. We are grabbing this Stila liquid eyeliner and we're gonna do a very thin line. I just want to have a line here so that when I put my lashes on, everything is cohesive. We working together here. No wing today. I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown pencil. I love this pencil. She's real black, real effective, real smooth. Love her. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Temptation mascara. This is waterproof. We're not doing too much, but we definitely want to coat bottom and top lashes. And here is this Sephora MicroSmooth powder. I love this powder. I don't like to tell you guys what to buy, but you should probably try this powder out. It's essential. I love it. It's just the best. Give it a try. I'm going in now with my Makeup Revolution bronzer. She's real cute, real cute. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on. I put her on after the MicroSmooth powder so she's not so harsh, you know? We don't want to look, well, I don't want it to be so harsh. You can do what you please. Here I'm going in with my Juvia's Place blush in Bella, and I'm toning it down just a little bit with the MicroSmooth powder, just a little bit. And now I'm going back into the Huda RCMA mix, and I'm just gonna put that powder down the center of my nose, and I can't draw a straight line, so I'm just going in with the bronzer and just fixing everything up and blending everything together. Now I'm going into my Dior Backstage palette because I want to highlight. I don't know what y'all doing, but I'm not giving up highlighting. I'm doing it. Here we go. I love it. Do y'all still highlight? I mean, I do, clearly. Now I am getting rid of the lip gloss that I have on, and I'm gonna line my lips with my NK pencil, and I believe this is the color Cocoa. NK pencils, man, they are inexpensive and effective. Love them. Love that for me. Love that for you. Try them. They're like 99 cents. I'm going in with my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Truffle, real cute pink peachy color. Love her, love her. And now I'm going back in with that same pencil and just adding a little bit more of a line to my lips and blending everything out. Here I'm adding a little bit of a MAC lipstick to the center of my lips. I'll put that down below. And I'm gonna go in on top of that with my Buxom gloss. Like, we are really layering it up for this look, but look how pretty it is. I love it. Now I'm gonna spray my face with my Morphe setting spray, grab my sponge and just press that spray into my skin. And now I'm gonna take my lashes from I Envy. Yes! This face though, like, it's really doing something for me. Love it. Like, hello?
Yeah, I know. You don't want to give up your kidney. No, why should I? I know. Well, why should I?
Okay, now I'll be right back. I think I should like zoom the camera in so you guys can see what's happening here. I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. Is the sparkle sparkling? I really hope it is. I hope that it is. I hope you're catching it, because I'm loving it. Oh, so these lashes are so awesome, but the only thing is they're fresh, so the band is a little bit stiff, but they really, I mean, beauty supply store said, what? D? Check out I Envy doing it. Oh boy, that's cute though. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to do too much talking. I just wanted to sit down, relax, chill, and just do my makeup. And you know, I just thought I would turn the camera on so y'all can see what's going down. And yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. I hope you enjoyed it though. That's what I hope. I hope y'all subscribe though. That would be cool too. I hope you also give the video a thumbs up. That way I know that you liked it. I know that you was feeling it, you know? So just let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And then we all be knowing that you liked it. So, I gotta get out of here.